This tutorial is going to show you how to get set up mining Experiencecoin on Mac OS X. First thing you're going to do is get a copy of Experiencecoin. We're going to open Safari and go to github.com. In the search box, enter Experiencecoin. Click on the Experiencecoin project, go to the Wallets folder, and click on experiencecoinqt.dmg. And then View Raw will start the download. You can see it downloading here in our Downloads folder. Once it's done, go ahead and click on that download. Oops, I think it wasn't quite done then. There, now you can click on the download. And you simply drag Experiencecoin into your applications folder as such. And that's it. We can close this. We can close Safari. And we can right click on the Experiencecoin Qt image and hit eject. And now we can go up to Finder, and under Go we can go to our Applications folder where you'll see Experiencecoin Qt. And it says Experiencecoin Qt can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. Your security preferences allow installation of only apps from the Mac App Store and identified developers. Okay, so we've been stopped. What can we do to fix that? Well, we go to the System Preferences, and under Security and Privacy, we need to click on the lock and enter our password to unlock these settings, and then we can do Allow Apps Downloaded from Anywhere. Allow from anywhere. We can relock it and close our preferences. And now we'll try running Experiencecoin again. Go to Applications, double click Experiencecoin. Are you sure you want to open it? Hit Open. And it'll ask you where you want your data directory. Just choose the default. And here comes Experiencecoin Core. Alright, we can minimize Experiencecoin Core for now and let it update. And in the meantime, we can get set up for mining. So we'll go ahead and reopen Safari. And we'll go to epc.manhattanmine.com. This is one of the best pools, mining pools, to mine Experiencecoin from right now. Although you can pretty much use any pool, you'll just have to follow their instructions. Now, if you're registering for the first time, you'll need to go to Sign Up and create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to enter that information here. And I'm logged in. Now, the only other thing we need to do from our control panel and the mine is go to My Account, My Workers, and we need to create a worker to do mining with. Now, I've already created one, but we're going to go ahead and delete that worker and start over just so that you can see the process. All we need to do is give the worker a name. Now, when we enter this information into our mining program, we're going to enter our Manhattan Mine username followed by the worker name. So I don't really want to make the worker name anything complicated, and I'm just going to enter number 1. So this worker is going to be called mininguser.1. That just keeps it nice and simple. And the worker password, I'm going to make very simple. I'm just going to do ABC. The reason for that is this password is different from my password for Manhattan Mine. My Manhattan Mine username and password are different than this password. If somebody had my Manhattan Mine password, then they could take my Experiencecoin earnings, and that would be bad. But if they have this worker password, the only thing they can do with that information is mine Experiencecoin for me, which would be to my benefit. So there's really no need for this password to be secure at all. It's fine to just do anything. So I just keep it simple. And we can now see this worker is called mininguser.1 and the password is ABC. I'm going to go ahead and turn monitor on, which will create statistics for my miner once it's up and running. And that's it. Now the final thing we need to do is get a piece of software to do the mining for us. And in the case of OS X, the best option is Mac Miner. So just do a search for Mac Miner, and you'll see at fabulouspanda.co.uk you can get Mac Miner. Just go ahead and download that. Just click download, and we'll go ahead and get the latest version. And it's downloading. It's okay now to close Safari. Then open up Experiencecoin. It's just started to get connected. Excuse me, to get connected to the Experiencecoin network, and it's still downloading blocks. But that's okay. Oh, actually, there's one step that I forgot for setting up the mining. We'll go ahead and do that now. We'll go back to our account at epc.manhattanmine.com. I'm already still logged in. We need to go to my account and go to edit account and scroll down. And we have here the payment address. Now, when you start mining Experiencecoin, you're going to find, or when you first create your account, you're going to find that this will be empty. So where do you get that address from? Well, you'll get it from your Experiencecoin wallet. So we're going to go ahead and open back up our Experiencecoin wallet and go to receive. We're going to give this address a label. Let's call it Manhattan Mine. And we'll do request payment. And this has created a new Experiencecoin address for us to use to receive payments. We'll go ahead and copy that address by clicking this button and close. And go back to the mine and paste that address in there. Then you just need to enter your 4-digit PIN and hit update account. Now I want to keep my address what it was, so I'm not going to click that. But that's where you get your address from. It's just from your Experiencecoin wallet. You just go to receive, you give it a label, and that's where you get your address from. You enter that into your account information on Manhattan Mine and update it, and you'll be good to go. Now we're going to close this. Now our download of Mac Miner is complete, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Mac Miner is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I am sure. And it gives us these release notes. First time, I'm going to click Don't Show again. And here is Mac Miner. Now, first thing we need to do is go up to Mac Miner Preferences and Pool, and we'll change our pool information here. So Experiencecoin is a script pool. Oh, and I've already got the information entered in here. So the pool name is going to be stratum plus TCP :// epc.manhattanmine.com, Then you give a colon, which are the 2 dots, and the port number, which is just 4 threes. Then the username for my worker is mininguser.1 and the password is ABC. We're going to save that. The pool has been saved. And then we're just going to go ahead and click Start. Now, we're not going to really see any mega hash show up on here because I don't have any GPUs on this Mac or anything powerful enough to really mine Experiencecoin with. So we're never going to see this number get much bigger in this video. Hopefully, if you've got your NVIDIA or ATI graphics card installed, and you've got the drivers, the proper drivers from the manufacturer installed, then you'll see this number rise up to at least a couple mega hash. And that's how you know that you're mining Experiencecoin. The other way we can tell that we're mining is in these messages in the log. We can see stratum authorization success for pool 0. We can see new block and then some random data right here, which would be a hash for a block, and the diff, which means the difficulty. Stratum. So we're seeing these messages from the pool, and we're seeing new messages come in, which lets us know that it is in fact working. And we have seen this number change, although it's still very small, and I don't think there's a way to show smaller numbers here. Anyway, so now we're mining Experiencecoin. So this has been a tutorial on how to mine Experiencecoin on a Mac. As you can see, it's fairly simple. Thank you for watching.